Oh, look at that goober juicy baby. You gonna fuss? What's the matter? Say, Daddy, do something. Do something, Daddy. I'm sad. What's the matter? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Slobber monster.
You're very slobberboxy. Okay, let's see what the birthday girl is doing over there. Naya! What you doing, Stink? Poor Mimi.
Eat it. It's food. It's candy.
Bite this toy so I don't bite her.
Naya, don't pull her tail. Leave her alone.
She getting agitated too, I think.
Uh-huh. She gonna bite you.
Got the hair on her.
Janaya! Mimi, you want an escape route? Come on, Mimi, let's run. Come on, Mimi, let's go. Come on. She was like, this is some bullshit. All right. Mimi escaped.
Big girl.
Say thank you. Naya, what you doing? How old are you today? How old are you? I was trying to tell her this morning too, and I said, you 2 years old. She just kept going like this.
I know, yeah, that's all I'm like.
Like, no, no.